Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says every effort is being made to resolve matters affecting tourism workers. He was responding to issues being raised by tourism workers at various hotels across Jamaica. Minister Bartlett says he will be meeting with tourism workers over the next few weeks to ensure that entities meet with them to resolve the areas of dispute.
I will be out there with you all during the next weeks and so to make sure that the commitment that we are getting from our employers to have these consultations are met and that the solutions are found.
Minister Bartlett points out that there are 196 entities that employ workers in the tourism industry, each having their own system of management, cost arrangement, and employment contract arrangement. As such, he says resolution to the issues affecting workers must be found in a unified way.
And so we have all determined that every single entity must meet with their staff and have discussions with regards to any issue that is now obtaining. And so we urge that that happens, and also that we bring a level of normalcy back to our operation, but more importantly that we recognize that solutions are not had when we are poles apart. They are only had when we are together.
The tourism minister is assuring workers in the sector that they are appreciated. Assurance has been given that the school safety policy will be finalized in short order. It comes on the heels of recent shootings within school proximity, the latest being on Friday, resulting in the death of a bus driver outside the gates of the Homewood Technical High School. Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information, Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, made the disclosure during a visit to the school on Monday. She says her team is working closely with the Ministry of National Security to implement robust security protocols across all schools in Jamaica.
And in addition to that, the discussions around penalties for crimes that take place on a school compound or near a school or involving our children have to be expedited.
Dr. Morris Dixon also expressed deep empathy for the school community, acknowledging the traumatic impact of the incident.
It is not fair to any of you to have witnessed what you witnessed on Friday and to be in the kind of mourning that you are in this morning. And we really have to commit to not letting this happen.
According to Minister Morris Dixon, the authorities have made significant progress in the investigation with the arrest of several individuals and seizure of a vehicle related to the crime. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry has mobilized a team to provide critical support to students, staff, and the broader Homewood Technical School community. The team includes school leaders, regional safety officers, education officers, guidance counselors, and social workers. The Department of Correctional Services, DCS, has suspended all visits to adult and juvenile correctional institutions across the island for 2 weeks until December 2. The notice was released on Monday following confirmed cases of the influenza H1N1 virus at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center and the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. According to the DCS, the precautionary measure is necessary to prevent further spread of the virus and to safeguard the health and safety of inmates and staff within the facilities. It says the situation is being monitored closely and that it is working with relevant ministries and agencies to manage and contain the spread of the virus. Updates regarding the resumption of visits and any additional measures will be communicated as necessary. 3 civil servants were recognized for their exceptional contributions to the public sector at the Civil Servants of the Year and People's Choice Awards held last Friday. The event was jointly hosted by the Government and First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union. The top honorees include Andre Allen, Manager for Computer Services at the Jamaica Information Service, who won the Civil Servant of the Year award in the managerial category. Barbara Williams-Riley, field supervisor at the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, topped the mid-managerial category. And Jeron Bonsfeather, psychiatric nursing aide at the Ministry of Health and Wellness, was the winner for the technical support category. Adding to the event's accolades, Veronica Miller-Richards, Regional Health Records Administrator at the Ministry of Health and Wellness, clinched the coveted People's Choice Award. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Favor Williams, lauded the honorees and all public servants for their dedication and professionalism.
Our civil servants embody the values of integrity, empathy, professionalism, and a profound commitment to service, ensuring that our public service functions smoothly, equitably, and with the interests of every Jamaican at heart. It is through this dedication that together as a country, we become more powerful.
Civil Servant of the Year award recipient in the managerial category, Andre Allen, encouraged public servants to remain dedicated to nation building.
Together through our dedication, creativity, and teamwork, we can contribute to something far greater and create a flood of progress, innovation, and transformation for our beloved country.
And finally, persons are being encouraged to participate in activities scheduled in observance of Local Government and Community Month. The month is being observed under the theme, Local Government at Work, Facing the Future Together. The activities are being held by the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development and are geared towards expanding and strengthening people's knowledge about local governance. Chief among these is a Local Government Expo on November 20 at the National Indoor Sports Center. The event will showcase interactive booths, displays, and demonstrations from all agencies under the ministry's purview, as well as the Earthquake Unit. A local government cook-off competition will take place on November 29 at Pearly Beach in St. Anne. Persons can visit the ministry's website and social media pages for more information on activities scheduled for the remainder of the month. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.